Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add your crypto to Metatrader 5. So here we are in this tutorial to teach you how to add crypto, but basically your Metatrader is like TradingView. It's a charting software only, and this is where you can add and link your account. So you have to input your MT4 or MT5 information and log in, and then you can add your cryptocurrency symbols after. Right here we have Bitcoin and we have our pair Bitcoin USD, so you can add it right here. So the first thing you'll have to add is go to the cryptocurrency symbols to the watch list by searching them or browsing through the available markets right here in the symbol. So you can choose right here, and then you will have to of course conduct your analysis by going to objects and then line studies, and then of course doing your analysis as usual, and then you can place new orders using the F9 button if you want to. So that's where you can buy and sell and choose what type of market order you want. If you want limit markets, you can do your stop loss, take profit, and many much more. So there you go. It's just that simple to add cryptocurrency to your MetaTrader 5.